Welcome class 6 students to the computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 4 of your computer book, which is Mail Merge in Word 2016. Learning outcomes. After you have studied this lesson, you will be able to know about different data sources, create a mail merge document, view the merged data. Mail merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tag, and more using information stored in a list, database, or spreadsheet. When you are performing a mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can start with an existing one or create a new one. And a recipient list, which is typically an Excel workbook. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. In this table, you can see an Excel sheet. Main document. It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients, for example, from letter, mailing label, envelope, or directory. Merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc., which instructs MS Word where to insert the data source, names, address, information in the main document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. Brain teaser. Shiva wants to celebrate his birthday with his friends. He wants to give invitation by designing and typing the matter himself. How could he fulfill the purpose? Let's start with the first process, creating a mail merge document. Perform the following steps to create a mail merge document. Step 1. Open the document that we have to send to different people. Step 2. Click on the Mailings tab. Click on the Start Mail Merge option in the Start Mail Merge group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard option. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the application. Window displaying Step 1 to 6 at its bottom. Step 4. Choosing the type of document, letters, email, messages, envelopes, labels, or directory that we wish to create. Click on the Letters option to create a letter. Step 5. Click on the Next Starting Document under Step 1 to 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. In this image, you can see all the process in detail. Step 6. Choose the type of setup for your letters. Click on the Use the Current Document radio button. The current document becomes the main document. Step 7. Click on the Next, select Recipient under Step 2 of 6 section. Another task pane appears showing the option for defining recipients list. Creating a recipient list. To create a new mailing list, following steps should be followed. Step 1. To create a new mailing list, select Type a New List radio button under the Select Recipients section and click on Create option. Step 2. The New Address List dialog box will appear on the screen. Click on Customize Columns button to add or remove fields. Step 3. Now enter data in the respective fields and click on New Entry button. Select Recipients. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives and click on OK button. You will get a Save Address List dialog box. Specify a name in the file name text box and click on Save button. Now, Mail Merge Recipient dialog box will appear in which you will find all the records you have entered. Note that by default, tick marks are placed on the checkboxes on the left side of all the records. It gives an indication that the records are selected. If you don't want to send the letter to a particular address, just click on the checkbox to deselect it and click on OK button. Now click on Next. Write your letter wizard step under step 3 of 6 section. Inserting merge fields. To insert merge custom fields, following steps should be followed. Step 1. On the Mailings tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button in the Merge and Insert Fields group. The Insert Merge Field dialog box appears with the fields you have created. Step 2. Click on the fields that you intend to add. Step 3. Then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Step 4. Click on Close to close the dialog box. The selected fields appear in your document one after another horizontally. Step 5. Separate the fields by pressing the Enter key. In this image, you can see Insert Merge Field dialog box. Did you know? For moving between the fields while typing the information, Tab key can be pressed. Let's start with View the merged data. You can check whether MS Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not by viewing it on the screen. Step 1. Click on the Preview Result button on the Preview Result group on Mailings tab, or click on Next Preview Your Letter Wizard step under Step 4 of 6 section. Step 2. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button in the Preview Result group to view the next record of the data source. In this image, you can see the interface of Preview Result. Printing letters. To print your letters, following steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on the Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on the Mailings tab. Step 2. Select the Print Document option from the drop-down grid. The Merge to Printer dialog box appears. In this image, you can see Merge to Printer dialog box. Quick recap. Mail merge is a feature that allows us to merge document file with a data source file to create multiple personalized copies. The three main stages during the mail merge process are creating main document, creating data source, and merging the data source with the main document. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. Moral learned. Mail merge saves our time and effort, and the saved time can be used by us in doing many useful activities. So, we should always respect ours as well as others' time. Thank you, class. Let's meet again next time in next chapter.